Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to set your job preferences in the Instawork app to help you find shifts that best match your skills and availability. First, open the Instawork app and log into your account. From the main screen, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on Job Preferences in your profile menu. Here, you can specify the types of jobs you want to see. Select your preferred job categories by checking the boxes for the industries or roles you are interested in, such as hospitality, warehouse, events, or customer service. After that, set your availability by selecting the days and times you are able to work. You can choose specific days of the week and time slots like mornings, afternoons, or evenings. You can also set your desired work locations by entering cities or zip codes where you want to find shifts. This ensures you only see jobs in convenient areas. Once you've adjusted your job categories, availability, and locations, tap Save to update your preferences. Now, Instawork will show you shift opportunities that match the preferences you set, making your job search more efficient. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.